Hello folks, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Justice Manuel Aqua and this is Mr. J Graphics. Today what I'm actually going to show you is very simple. Okay, I'm going to show you how to load gradient on your Photoshop. Especially if you want to create a gradient background or a gradient designs, whatever be the case, you have to use gradient. And a lot of people will be asking you, how do you get these colors? These colors are default colors, so all you have to do is just load them on your page, on your Photoshop, and you go ahead to use them. So without much further ado, let's get right into the video. Now what I'm going to show you, I'm going to create a new document. Right from there, I'm going to maintain 20 by 20. That is a size for social media, so I'll just tap on create. Now I'm using Photoshop 2021. I don't know if I'm right. Okay, 2021, that is right here. Now I'm going to, after I create my document, you have to know where I have the place where the file of the gradient are. So before you're going to install load the gradient, you have to go directly to you have to unlock the key, and you go directly to this place, and you just click on FX. Once you click on FX, you go down to gradient. Okay, so you get right here, so that is gradient. If you can see it, the colors in here are different. It's green colors, but you can see that the first one, the middle one, is very lighter than the side, both side and side colors. So this is called a gradient color. Now I'm going to show you. So what you have to do is go to this FX in the layer, right? In the layer, this is the layer panel. So you go direct to this FX, you click on gradient overlay. Once you click, layer style will pop up, layer style pop-up menu will pop up. Once it pop up, what you have to do is click on this one. Okay, the color plate here, you click. Once you click, you come to this point, you drag this one right here. That is gradient editor. So it has a lot of sharp colors in there. There are so many 18. They have categorized it in, so every category of colors, this is actually the default one. Okay, so what you have to do is you can open any of them and pick up the colors of your choice. Okay, now what I'm going to show you today is to show you how to load new gradient colors that will come directly to this preset. Okay, so they have named it preset colors. Okay, let's call it that way. What you have to do is just click on this gear icon right here. I call it gear. Okay, I don't know the other name. If you know any other name, you can drop that in the comment section below, and we are all going, it's going to help all of us. So what I have to do is just click on that. Once I click in here, what I have to do is import gradient. There are some other Photoshops, it says load gradient, and now this one is Photoshop 2021. So it's actually going to tell you that import gradient. So I'll go ahead and just click on import gradient. Now it has gotten open a place where I can get to find the the gradient that I want, the gradient that I want to import into Photoshop. So I'll go directly to the directory, and I'm going to find a folder which I name it software. Software. What is this? Okay, here we go. So I'm going to open the software. It's in another folder again. Design. Okay, Adobe. Okay, so I just want to find it simple. So to be easier way, I just name them, because there is a lot of files in here. So all the files here are Adobe files. So just click it and costume atoms. So now this is it. This is how it look like, because we are installing in the FX. So what I first of all I showed you that before you go to gradient, you need to come to the layer panel. Once from the layer panel, you have to click on the layer. You need to click FX. So if you can see directly, you're going to see FX in here, meaning that this file is going directly to FX. So what I have to do is just go ahead and click on it. Okay, now once you click, don't do anything. It will automatically come directly to the preset. So let me drag this one to the down and see, here we go, my PC gradient, right? So that is very simple. Let's go there and see the name, my PC gradient. So here we go, is right here, my PC gradient. Now let me open it and you see how the colors are. So here we go, this one, once you click, it's going to affect the background that you created. Okay, so you are going to choose the one that you prefer, the one that you desire, the one that you see that is going to suit your design. That is what you're going to choose. Okay, I really love using this color. I love using this one, and I think this one too. I love using them. This one and this one, I think they are the same. So, and this colors, I keep using them. I keep using this one too, and then this one. I love using this ones. There are some colors, if you choose and you don't want it, after you click in here, you can just click on this point. Once you click here, you're going to, the black in here is going to fill the rectangle point in here, the rectangle shape right there. See, this one is empty, this one is empty. Once you click, there is going to be a black color right there, and then you just click on the color box right here, and you can choose any color of your choice, the one that you think it suits and is very catchy for you. That is what you're actually going to pick it. So this is how to import or load gradients into Photoshop. That is very easy. I hope this video, you really love this video so much. Please, I just want to take this opportunity to welcome all the new subscribers on the platform. Thank you very much for joining, and as I told you that you were not going to regret ever joining this channel. I want you to do me a favor, subscribe to this channel, hit on the notification bell, and please, whatever you don't understand, drop that in the comment section, and I'm going to drop this I'm going to drop the gradient in the link description. Okay, the gradient file, I'm going to drop that in the description, the link description, and you can just, I'll drop the link in the description. You can, you can also pick it from the link. You can get a link in there, and then you can also load or import it on your Photoshop, and you're going to use, and it's going to help you a lot in your designs work. So thank you very much. My name is Justice, and you can call me Mr. J Graphics. Thank you very much for being part. See you in my next video. Bye.